Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. I wanted to go over a couple of things here. I wanted to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled Concrete Contractors Tulsa, Oklahoma. And this area right here is what's called the map pack. And the top four listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you can get yourself into these top four is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 to 4 so that people can find you. So I did pull up your website, and so the main thing that you want to do with the site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled Concrete Contractors Tulsa, Oklahoma, if you have that all over your site, it's going to become really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here, the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help this website rank. And I wanted to take a look at one of the competitors in the area, and I have a paid program that I use to do that. And so I put in Summit Concrete and Construction, and real quick wanted to go over the UR and the DR ratings because these are super important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher the numbers are, the more powerful the site is, and the better you're going to rank in the search results. And one of those ways that you can increase these numbers is through what's called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that is endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And then lastly, and most importantly, I wanted to kind of talk about the organic keywords in the content that I'd mentioned before. So for example, pulling up what Summit Concrete is being found for with keywords, just looking at the volume column to kind of give you an idea of how many people are searching for those keywords in a month, okay? So just kind of pulling up Concrete Patio Tulsa, 30 people search for that in a month. Concrete Tulsa OK, 40 people search for that in a month. Concrete Company Tulsa, 30 people look for that in a month. Tulsa Concrete Company, 150 people look for that in a month. So it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more of these people, the more that they're going to find you. And the more people are going to call you. And then the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you. And I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.